Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to follow someone on Oculus. So let's get started right away. Following someone on Oculus is a straightforward process. Launch open your MetaQuest application from your device and make sure to log into your account first. After you are signed in, tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right. Doing this will open up several options in the menu. Tap on the people icon and then go ahead and tap on the follow button inside the discover people option. If you want to search for a specific contact, go to the search button at the top right and tap on it. In the search box, type in the name of the person and from the search result, find the one that you're looking for and tap on follow. Soon after you do that, you will be able to follow someone on Oculus. So that's how easy it is to follow someone on Oculus within a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.